very warm welcome to each one of you on behalf of Brands Academy. You've joined us pretty early in the morning. Thank you so very much for sparing out your time and being with us. We start shortly with the award ceremony. We are going to be joined shortly by our chief guest. And to present these awards, ladies and gentlemen, we have been joined by a personality, Mr. Prahlad Kakkar. As many of you know and aware that he is a renowned ad maker, many ads. And as we are talking about skills, as we are talking about education not just confined to the book, but opening your minds, being more innovative, more creative. He's someone who has been I take the pleasure and the privilege of requesting and inviting our honorable chief guest here, Mr. Prahlad Kakkar, to kindly share his views more on how do we develop and drive this knowledge-driven economy. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Prahlad Kakkar. We would also like to extend welcome to Mr. Anil Mittal, the Chairman of Cantonment Board, who's joined us. Thank you, sir, for joining us. Also welcoming Dr. T.C. Rao, veteran Chairman of Delhi Pradesh Congress Committee. Thank you to you also, sir. So, ladies and gentlemen, we now start with the awards, and I would like to request you to kindly do the honor of presenting these awards, the first set of awards. Before that, I'll just slightly touch base on the criteria or the system which has been adopted towards selecting the winner. We had invited the entries, and we received entries from 3,500 institutions. The institutions had extended their what they have been extended regarding their curriculum, regarding their facilities, regarding the infrastructure which they have. So based on that, the analysis was done. It was not just restricted to tier 1 cities, because now you see, as we are talking about going to the people to the last mile, so the coverage was more towards tier 2 and tier 3 cities. The analysis was done by the research team of Brands Academy, very qualified and professional people, going to the, even as I said, going to the remotest part of the country. Then we tried to take a market perception also. So we had taken the feedback of the people, the end users. And the end users were again the parents, the students, the people who are affected by the education which is being extended by your institutions. On the basis of the feedback and the market analysis, and of course what was extended to us by the institutions, all were compiled, and it was on the basis of that the awardees have been selected. It has been a very humongous task for the entire team, 6 months, and today these 6 months of big exercise culminates in these prestigious awards as they're going to be presented. The next award is for the most promising institute in Hyderabad for animation and gaming courses. And this award goes to Creative Mentor. Creative Mentor, we have the Director and CEO, Mr. Suresh Reddy, joining us to receive the award. He has an experience of 14 years in animation industry.
I think a lot of young people today, especially young kids, if you ask them what they want to do, and they all want to go into gaming. Not just playing games, but also actually creating and developing games. And that is one of the fastest growing, best paid professions in the world today. Forget about just this country. And our children somehow have a great natural aptitude for solving games, for creating games, and for actually being led into that kind of fun profession. And I think you cannot go wrong if your child actually wants to be a gamer. Don't look at him with funny eyes, because he's going to probably become a millionaire.
Yeah, first of all, thanks to my students and their parents and Brands Academy for selecting this award. And we started around 7 years back, and recently we applied with major universities in India for a graduation. And we are also planning to start our own IPs, like one movie is in production right now. It's a 3D animation movie. It's going to be released in Bollywood. And we hope we'll see in the next event also. Thank you, sir.
Well done.